This is SuSoSu, all natural mineral water sourced from Uiseong, South Korea. It is infused with extra hydrogen for a healthier and younger body. Let's test the pH and TDS levels. Let's pour some water in. First, let's test the TDS level. Turn on the TDS tester, make sure it says 0, and put it in. $250. That is marginally acceptable. Now let's test the pH level. We're going to use two different pH testers. One has strips and one has drops. The pH strips are from Simple Lab Tap Score, and the pH drops are from pH Perfect. First, we're going to use the strips. We're going to open the packet. And we're going to need a clean cup filled with water. Then we're going to place this in for 10 seconds, and we're going to move it back and forth while it's there for 10 seconds. Okay, that was 10 seconds. Now we're going to remove the strip from the water and shake once quickly to remove excess water. Then we're going to wait 20 seconds before interpreting results. Now we're going to use this interpreting result sheet to see what the pH level was. I think it's a 7.5. That is neutral. Now we're going to use the other pH tester with the drops. We're going to do 2 to 3 drops. Let's stir it a little for a better result. This is an 8.5. This is alkaline water. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.